नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. Here today we will discuss aphorism 85. So Dr. Hahnemann says in aphorism 85 that is, he begins a fresh line with every new circumstances mentioned by the patient or his friends. As in last lecture we discussed about case taking in aphorism 84. In that aphorism we understand how to take case. In that aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann says some guideline about case taking, that is, physician should observe minute altered condition, any unusual behavior in the patient, and physician should keep patiently and listen carefully, and what he observed in the patient and what he listened from the patient write down in the same expression of the patient. And another thing is the physician should not interrupt patient during narration of the symptoms. So in this aphorism Dr. Hahnemann says about how to write down, take fresh line with every new symptom, and keep proper gap between lines, because after complete history taking, physician complete the symptoms in the remaining space of the symptoms. So he begins a fresh line. हर सिम्टम के साथ में आप उसको राइट डाउन करें फ्रेश लाइन के साथ में, so that the symptoms shall be all arranged separately, one below the other. इस तरह हमें राइट डाउन करने से हम हर सिम्टम को प्रॉपर वे के अंदर अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएंगे और ढंग से हम लिख पाएंगे और सिम्टम को हम कवर कर पाएंगे. जो पेशेंट अभी डिटेल नहीं बता पा रहा है तो हम उसको जब हमारा पार्ट आएगा पूछने का तो हम उससे पूछ सकते हैं. He can thus add to any one that may at first have been related in too vague a manner but subsequently more explicitly explained. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. So this is our 85 aphorism. Thank you.